Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a very interesting recipe. This is Tawa chicken fry. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. Take a nice white tawa. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of gingelly oil. First I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Keep the flame on low. To this add 5 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 piece of ginger finely chopped, next add 1 onion finely chopped, 2 large green chilies finely chopped. Once you add the onions, increase the flame from a low to a medium high. Saute the onions for about 5 minutes. Next add 1 large tomato finely chopped. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Once the onions and tomatoes are cooked, next I'm going to add the boneless chicken pieces. I have 250 grams of boneless chicken. I've cut into small pieces. I'm going to add those. Once you've added the chicken pieces, mix it well and make sure the pieces are nicely coated in the masala. Once the chicken pieces are coated with the masala, after about 5 minutes, squeeze some lemon juice. Next add a few curry leaves. Now the chicken tawa fry is done. The flavors are amazing. Finally garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. There you go, you've seen this incredibly delicious tawa chicken fry. Now if you do like this recipe, please share it with your family and friends and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this tawa fry can be had with some nice rasam or sambar, or you can just eat it as is. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.